Hi everybody, this is Callie with Jemminz. Thank you for joining me today. So I owe you all a huge apology. In my videos you have been watching that I have had a new studio, but I actually filmed the remaking of the studio. And for whatever reason, I forgot to upload those videos. Really? I totally forgot about it. All right, so I got them made. I finalized them. I got them up, and we're gonna start putting them up on the site here next. So I'm so sorry. I don't know what happened. I didn't realize that I was putting stuff up and then not putting up. I didn't put anything in order on here, so I apologize. So go and watch those videos. They tell you all about the studio and how we've put it all together and painted it and redid it and reorganized it. And I kind of show you the little bit around of the room that we have here. This room is about it might be 20 by 20. It's maybe 15 by 15. It's not very big in here. We're really tiny. And I completely tore everything down, reorganized it, and I actually have to do another one because I've gone further than that and reorganized it even further. Threw out a bunch of garbage, and we cleaned up in here and made it a much better studio for me to work in because I had like that much room to walk around in my studio and I couldn't get anywhere, and I was like, I'm done, I can't handle it anymore. So my husband said, well, I'm off work this week and we're going to redo your studio. And I actually ended up doing it myself because he ended up with other projects that came up at the last minute. I love you, hubby. I love you so much. So I ended up doing the whole studio myself and reorganized it. And there really wasn't much change that I did. All I did really was just, well, you'll see in the videos what I actually did. And it works a lot better now for me. So I'm so sorry. I thought I put that up. It's what happens. So as you go forward, the next few videos will show you what we did in the studio. I also ended up with a very major issue. My computer shut down in the middle of filming some of these, and so the videos themselves got all completely mixed up. So I had to sit down and re-watch all of those videos, and there were something like 20 videos I did, and I ended up cutting like half of it because I couldn't figure out which order any of it went into. So I said, stop! So I just put up with a few that I was able to put back together, and then that's what we filmed. So simple editing. So you're going to get the simple version of what happened, and maybe later on down the road once I finalize everything, because you can see I still have boxes behind me and I still haven't gotten everything up. I'm missing a rack in my shelf, and then I want to put shelves behind me and put stuff up on the shelf. So that is my next thing, is to put shelves up behind me to get some of the major stuff up and on the shelves. And I'm looking into those now because I have behind me, you can't see it because the camera's here, but I have two full walls where I can put shelving up. So we're going to work on a corner unit that will get some stuff up there. So I'm super excited about that. That's coming soon. And that will help get what's in these totes behind me out. Now that's my soap box. I got to put the lid back in it, and it's going to go underneath my desk. I have my bath bomb bucket behind me with my bath bomb stuff on there. So we're kind of like doing one on one side and one on the other, because those are the two things that I make the most. And then my lotion stuff is up behind me in the cabinet on that side right there, in that little brown cabinet behind me. And then I have a few things just sitting there. My fragrance oils, are underneath the table on the rack there. And then I have a few things, I have a few empty spots in the shelves there that I have to put up there. So we are in the process of reorganizing, including the kids' bath bombs and everything. Well, we had the reason for the whole thing is we had two shelves that fell down in the room, and I had to put them back up, and everything fell over and got totally mixed up. So we reorganized and redid. So, and I'll have to show you some of that process. Maybe I'll do a special video on how to organize your stuff. That's a good video. I think I need to do that. So anyway, maybe that's what I'll do, because it's actually working out good for me, and maybe it'll work out for you. So there you go. All right, so that's the gist of it. I apologize sending you guys a hello. I apologize for that mix-up, but I have been filming videos. I just, for whatever reason, didn't get them up. And in truth, it's been really busy. I've been so busy at my vendor shows that I have not had time to just sit here and edit and get those up. So it's been one of those weeks, and I'm finally catching up on my sleep today. So that's why I'm on here filming. Anyway, so my life has been really busy, and we are getting there. So I've got maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 actual totes that I have to empty out, because I have my shipping box right there, which is going to float in the room, so I can put packages and stuff in there when we sell. And there you go. So, oh, and one big thing on my website, just before I let you guys go, there is a huge sale going on because I'm blowing out all my soaps and I'm blowing out all my bath bombs, and my shower steamers are already at the $5 point. So, and I'm putting the rest of the kids' bath bombs up there. Although with the vendor show this weekend at the $5 point, I may sell out of them because I only have a couple left. But I am in the process of redoing those. So be aware of that. And we are going to have some really fantastic kids bath bombs coming out. I will be carrying only a couple of the fragrance oils. I'm going to an all natural products for customers. So everything will be 100% all natural. I'm getting rid of the essential oils. I'm getting rid of I'm bringing in the essential oils, getting rid of the hemp seed oil because it's too expensive to produce for me. And everybody's going to say, well, the essential oils are more expensive. They're not, actually. I was able to find a good supplier that's been in business for over 25 years and is very, very reliable. And so I have those items coming in. Well, actually, I have them all in now. I'm just making the soap. So we're getting those going. So right now I'm working on single oil soaps, and then I will be doing the blends. And we'll have all therapeutic products in my store, which I'm super excited about, because there's nobody else in my area that's doing it. I don't have, from what I understand, there is one certified lady that does essential oils, but she's not at the farmers markets, and I never see her. I don't know who she is. I've never met her. She is just not around and not doing anything with her business, apparently. So I'm going to not take over the business, but fulfill a niche that a lot of people are wanting, because everybody's like, oh, you have essential oil stuff? And I'm like, yes, ma'am, I do. I'm a certified aromatherapist and I can help you. And they're like, oh my God, I cannot wait to see you. When are you coming back to the farmer's market? So next week they will start showing up in the farmer's market. So I have a lot of work to do this next week after, this week. I've got to get, I'm going to be producing at least one series a week. So next week we're premiering the orange, and then the following week, I have to do tea tree because I had a request for it. She was like in desperate need of it. She's out of her tea tree soaps and stuff, and she can't find anybody that's making them, and so I'm gonna make them for her, and so I'll make tea tree next week. So here's my wait. There's my tea tree. And I have a lot of it, and I was able to get a good deal on it. So we'll go make some tea tree. And we've got some other scents we're going to do. I've got eucalyptus, lemon eucalyptus I have to bring back. I've had a major request for that one. So we've got some essential oil soaps that I'll be making. I should get, no, I can't do it today because I have to be gone tomorrow. See, that's what I'm thinking. I've got so much, I'm bouncing around so much with stuff going on that it's confusing. And when you make soaps, you have to time them just right in order to cut them. And I'm going to be gone all day, so I won't be able to cut these soaps. Well, maybe I can. I'll wait till this afternoon, cut them, and then cut them tomorrow afternoon when I get home. I'll make the lemon eucalyptus because somebody wanted that too. So I've got 2 soaps I'll be doing tomorrow. So that'll be good. So start seeing those in the shop. They're coming out really quickly, and I'm excited about that. And I know I've talked a lot about it throughout, but I should sit down and talk to you guys about the benefits of essential oils and why we are switching over, and really do a full video on that. So maybe we'll do that this morning. So anyway, thanks everybody for joining me. I'm sorry if I'm rattling on. I don't mean to, but there's a lot going on. So thanks everybody. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification button, and don't forget to share my videos everywhere you can. Thanks everybody. Have a great day. Bye.